Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can find screenshots in your Windows PC or laptop. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is obviously take the screenshot, for which you have to click on the Windows Shift plus S. So after you have done that, here you can see this will open. Now you have to select the area which you want to take the screenshot of, like this. I'm going to take the screenshot of the whole page. And like this, you can see I have successfully taken the screenshot. So in order to see the screenshot that I took just now, you have to now go to your files, for which you have to double click on your folder. Here you can see this is my folder. And after double clicking on it, here you can see this will open. And on the left side here, you can see the option of pictures right here. Click on it. And then here you will be able to see the option of screenshots. You can click on it in order to open it. And in here you can see this is the particular screenshot that I took just now. And you can simply just double click on it in order to open it, just like this. Here you can see the screenshot. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you can find screenshots on your Windows PC or laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.